I'm not actually doing this for survey. But again, there's another glitch. But don't you know something close to being real? It's actually real. The was I? So, what do I have to say to you guys? Well, let's stick in the sign head. Don't look scary, guys. You guys don't have to worry. Guys, this is kind of weird because they're not supposed to be this color. They're not supposed to be yellow. Okay, forget about that. Ow. Oh. Guys, you guys can't now play this game. Just last see. Let's do EA. Yes, something. No, this is, I don't know why is there some random yellow path, but I won't really get on it. Jump. Oh, cool. Let's just came over here to play. So, oh yeah. Got it wrong. Oh. Help me. Oh.